na, bukas pahinga na tayo.
Sige na. Makakatulog na tayo
Ilang-
ng maayos.
I had a dream, so being loud. I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I stretched my hands up to the sky. We danced with monsters through the night. I'm never gonna look back. Whoa, I'm never gonna give it up. No, please don't wake me now. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. I howled at the moon with friends, and then the sun came crashing in. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. But all the possibilities, no limits, just epiphanies. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I'm never gonna look back. Whoa, I'm never gonna give it up. No, just
Salamat sa pagtiyaga, pagtitiis, sa pag-antay, sa bawat paglipas ng araw at buwan na di tayo magkasama. Pasensya ka na mahal kung nagmahal ka ng isang tapat na marino.
Pinatanayan mo na hindi hadla ang layo para iparamdam yung pagmamahal mo sa akin. We can now travel together na walang chaperone. May bibigay ko na sa iyo yung pinakaihantay mong gabi ng buhay mo.
I hear it calling outside my window. I feel it in my soul. The stars were burning so bright, the sun was out till midnight. I say we lose control.
So, Hi, my future husband. Can't wait to see you and say I do. Wow!
Di na surprise gift mo, nakita mo na eh. Yeah, I love you so much.
Oh!
This is gonna be best day of my life. Everything is looking up, everybody up now. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
Hey, yo! Konti na lang.
Para sa iyo naman, my best friend, girlfriend, my fiancé. Ngayon ay asawa na.
Hi, Dada! Advance happy anniversary. I remembered when I was in college, I prayed, sabi ko, Lord, kung magkaka-boyfriend po ako, sana isa lang. At siya na yung magiging asawa ko. Para isa lang po yung i-kiss ko, at saka isa lang po yung i-hug ko. And Lord, thank you for answering my prayer. We are now finally getting married.
There are times when I just want to look at your face, with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace.
Salamat sa paghintay sa akin hanggang sa maging ready ako mag-asawa. Alam kong parehas na tayong handa sa buhay na pinili natin.
Kaya mahal, pangakong mamahalin at pipiliin kita sa bawat araw na kahit anong pagsubok dumating sa atin. Pangakong andito lang ako. Palagi kakampi mo.
I never thought I would be right for you, 'Cause I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here and forevermore.
Later after this, hindi mo na ako kailangang iatid because starting right now, you are my home. Maraming pagsubok, pinagdaanan natin. It's a roller coaster ride. But one thing is for sure, is you are my endgame.
Dati akala ko talaga, mahal, na hanggang kaibigan lang talaga yung may bibigay mo sa akin. Pero eto tayo ngayon, bubuo ng sarili nating at bubuo nating sariling pamilya.
Stars that fall down. Wishing you would be
Lahat, kahit ito ngayon, mag-aasawa na ako, ito na, hindi ko pa rin naman kayo pabayaan, hindi ko pa rin ako sa inyo bilang anak nyo. Palagi ko kayong mahal. Lagi yun.
You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for
Richard at Grisel, tandaan nyo, pag nagpakasal ka ngayon at pumirma kayo sa marriage certificate, that commitment is a lifetime commitment.
I need to be here and forevermore. Time and again, there are these changes that we cannot end.
Today, I stand before you not just as your bride, but as your partner in life. I promise that you will be my priority and our future children. I vow to love you unconditionally and to choose you every day for the rest of our lives. I love you, my best friend, and now my husband.
Mahal, simula sa araw na to hanggang sa masusunod na yugto ng buhay natin na magkasama tayo, bubuhay natin ang pangarap natin simula't simula. Si God, alam ko, siya ang naging sentro ng pagmamahalan natin. My strongest prayer is our love continue and bless forever. I love you.
You are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. 'Cause I just can't compare you with anything in this world. As endless as forever, our love will stay together. You